Jello Jello. So, happy Passover. Let's try Dayenu, which has 3 chords. So C, G7, and D minor. Beautiful, beautiful. So, now let's take a look at the strum. So the strum we're going to use is down, down, up, down, up. So on C it would sound like down, down, up, down, up. And for one measure equals one pattern of that. So if you see here on the first line, C for one measure, so one pattern of that, then 2 patterns of G7, 2 patterns of C, 2 patterns of G7, 1 pattern of C. And then it goes back to the beginning with the second line really, and it does the exact same thing again in terms of the strum. Now the third line is the only one where it changes or deviates a little bit. It alternates measures between C, G7, C, G7. Then we get to the C dot D minor dot business. So that one will strum like this. We'll just go C, C, D minor, C, C, D minor, Dayenu. Yeah, end on the C. As you can see, there's a few verses, but let's learn how to play on the uke, and then we'll explore the verses later on, right? So let's start in the beginning with the C on the very first line. A 1, a 2, a nice and easy. Here we go. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, C, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, G7, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, C, down, up, down, up. Now let's try the second line. Same kind of business. 1, 2, 3, 4. C, down, up, down, up, G7, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, C, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, G7, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, C, down, up, down, up. Now here's the only one where it changes a little bit. This is the one where it goes. So we'll play a little slower though. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, down, up, down, up, G7, down, down, up, C, down, up, down, up, G7, down, up, C, C, D minor, C, C, D minor, down, down, up, down. So let's try that third line together one more time. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down. Nice. Yeah, and remember when you're doing this with your family or friends or whomever, that you are in control of the speed. So take it nice and slow if you're just learning it, and I'm sure everyone will appreciate it even more. So I hope you have a nice day and happy holiday. Peace out.